Hi, welcome to Holy Carb. I'm Barbara, and I am just doing this so that I can take you along on my low carb lifestyle. As I've said before, if you watched any of my other videos, I've lost over 205 pounds now, and due to a low carb, high protein diet, and also lots of water, lots of walking, and any exercise I can do. But I also had bariatric surgery, so I had the sleeve done over two and a half years ago about now. So that definitely helps because it kind of slows down all that hunger that you have. But I also have to stay on my diet for the rest of my life. So it's a lifestyle, but I call it my diet. But I've always been a baker and a gardener, and I'm an artist. I'm a watercolor painter. So you can check out my other YouTube channel, Be Swift Art, where I do watercolor tutorials if you're interested in that at all. But I just kind of wanted to take you along with my journey and what I'm doing, and hopefully I can help somebody else if I can give them some helpful tips or something like that. But I wanted to tell you what I did today. I got like an awesome find. My husband was on Marketplace and somebody was giving away 2 dehydrators. So I got the kind with the trays, and I got the one that has kind of like the box, which is going to be really good for my micro bakery because I've been working on keto sourdough bread, and you may have seen my starters, and tomorrow I'm going to actually use my starter and bake some bread. But let me just show you really quick what we've got today at this, the lady gave us these awesome, just awesome that we got these dehydrators. I've wanted them for years and never could buy them, but hey, here we are. All right, so let me see if I can't show you a little bit what I got. So there's one of them, and it's got like shelves inside, and I'm going to use that to help proof my bread. And then here is the other one. If I can get it in the frame, I'm getting more of me in there than there. There it is. So it has all these trays that stack. So I like to make strawberry keto granola. So with my strawberry keto granola, I use dehydrated strawberries. So I'm going to make them myself. So I bought some strawberries. And here's my strawberries I'm chopping up. And I'm putting them on these trays to stack them. So yeah, that's going to be so much fun trying all these new recipes out. And this video is probably pretty horrible because my husband is sleeping, so he's not able to help me do it. But anyway, so that's what I got. Thank you so much, and I'll see you. Maybe I can show you my bread tomorrow, how it turns out. So it was just an experiment, and I'm taking you along with my experiments. So I hope it turns out. All right. Well, until we meet again, you have a good one. Bye-bye.